Have you ever spent hours writing Excel formulas, cleaning messy data, or searching Google for VBA code? What if I told you ChatGPT can do all of that in seconds? In today's video, I will show you 5 practical ways to use ChatGPT with Excel that can save you hours every week. Whether you are a finance professional, accountant, analyst, or a student, these tips will make your work much easier. Let's get started. Here you can see that I have an employee sales report. I want to calculate a bonus. The rule is very simple. If the sales are greater than target, bonus should be 10% of sales. Otherwise, bonus should be 5% of sales. Instead of writing the formula myself, I will ask ChatGPT. Let's copy the prompt. Before that, I will paste here the report so that ChatGPT can understand what I need. Let's wait for the result. Within seconds, ChatGPT gives me a formula. I will simply copy it and paste it into the Excel. Now press enter and drag it down. Now it's done. No need to remember if functions or worry about the syntax. That's the power of ChatGPT. Let's try another one, a complex formula we will copy from internet and wondered what does this even mean. Here is the formula. You can see that. If we paste the formula here, it will give the result, but we don't know what the formula means. Instead of trying to decode it manually, I will ask ChatGPT. Let's go to ChatGPT and I will paste the formula here and I will give the prompt. So you can see that ChatGPT explains step by step. If sales greater than or equal to target, and if the city is Dhaka, means both conditions must be true. If both are true, the formula returns top performer. If the first condition is false, it checks another condition. If the sales greater than or equal to target, if yes, it returns to achieved. If neither condition is true, it returns below target. So this is one of the fastest ways to learn Excel formulas. So let's move to number 3. So in another sheet, you can see that we have a messy data. Notice these employee names. Some are in uppercase, some are in lowercase, some have extra spaces, some are duplicated. This happens all the time with exported reports. Let's ask ChatGPT, how can it clean the data? First, copy the data and paste it here. See, ChatGPT has introduced us if your goal is to standardize the employee name. So there's differences in uppercase, lowercase, or extra spaces don't matter. Use this formula. It's proper. Proper. Select the cell, drag it, and enter. Drag it down. So you can see that in just few clicks, my data looks clean and professional. Instead of searching multiple websites, ChatGPT gives everything in one place. Let's go to the first sheet. This is probably my favorite feature. Suppose your manager tells you if sales are above 150,000, mark excellent. If the sales are above 100,000, then you have to mark good. Otherwise, mark average. Instead of converting that logic into Excel yourself, just tell ChatGPT what exactly you want. Let's copy the prompt. Here is the prompt you have. If you paste it here, see ChatGPT has given us the formula in seconds. Let's copy the formula and paste it here. So the result is good. And now drag it down. So no need to remember complicated syntax. You can see. Now we will try with VBA Code. Generally, many Excel users avoid VBA because they think it's difficult, but now ChatGPT can write code for you. Let's ask it. Let's copy the prompt here. We will paste it here in ChatGPT. You can see that ChatGPT has introduced us with a VBA code. Now simply copy it, open the VBA editor and paste it, run the macro, and you will see that you will have a summary sheet automatically created. Even if you are a beginner, ChatGPT makes VBA much more approachable. Today, I will give you a bonus tricks. Here is something many people don't know. ChatGPT can also analyze your Excel data. I will paste my sales table and ask ChatGPT to analyze it. So you can see that ChatGPT has given us the result. After analyzing the data set, ChatGPT actually has given us 5 business insights that 70% of the employees has achieved and exceeded their sales target. The sales department is the top performing department, and Dhaka generates the highest average sales among major regions. HR has the lowest sales performance actually, and the performance varies considerably across employees. These insights can easily be demonstrated in Excel using pivot tables, pivot charts, conditional formatting, and simple KPI calculation. So you can see that this can save a lot of time when preparing reports or presentation if you use ChatGPT for preparing Excels. So as you have seen today, ChatGPT isn't here to replace Excel. It is here to help you use Excel faster and more efficiently. So tell me, which of these 5 tricks did you find the most useful? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more practical Excel tips. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.